day 3. It's May 12th of 2017 and we are speeding off to Pahalgam, 89 kilometers away from Srinagar. That's what the Google says. But what I believe is what the two directors said, it's 96 kilometers. And we first visited the Kesar fields. These are the Kesar fields, but there is no Kesar here right now. It is not the season. Kashmir is a place which we have to visit for different seasons, and in the background you see the Kesar fields, and we are off to next destination, Avantipur. This is the ruins of Avantipur. These are the ruins of the temple built by a very prosperous king named Avantivarman. But there seems to be a very vague description about the history. The guide that told us some different things about the place, and in front of this temple there is a beautiful rose garden. We were a lot of people and plenty of us. We took a lot of pictures and then we were off for the remaining part of the journey. Yes, I was the one to spot the river and the two directors explained, but it is not very clear. So I'll repeat it here. Lidar River, this actually originates from a glacier called Kolngai near Sonmarg, and that is what gives rise to this Lidar Valley. It's amazing that this river runs 30 kilometers before it reaches Pahalgam, and that's why I think we saw this river through and through until we reached Pahalgam. It was amazing to watch it, and yes, at our request, our two directors stopped and we also got down and enjoyed the crystal clear water, and the water was very chill. But we played there for some time. All of us got down and had a slide there. And because it was a very long journey, we were playing Antakshari, and that's the sounds you can hear. A lot of it. It was a wonderful time. We had a lot of fun. All new friends. It was really good. The way we played inside the bus, shouting and screaming. But I did not miss clicking these pictures and videos of Lidar River. You can see that there is a difference between this river and in the next video you will see the Sindh River. This was very soft sort of. It wasn't that turbulent, but Sindh River seemed very fierce. So the sights are very beautiful. There are plenty of mountains. These are not snow-capped hills. They are just valleys, and the water is just flowing, gushing all through and through by the side of the road. And we saw some nice places, small villages. It was very surprising to know that there were groups of children returning from school. Yes, it is summer and they do not have holidays. They have a very long winter vacation only during the winter time when there is snow for 3 months. So this Lidar River continues and we are still on that highway. This highway is very famous because along this way, on the way back, we can see the cricket factories. All along this route there are some trees. You can see these trees. They have some funny kind of spore or something, or maybe it's a pollen with very silky hair, and it keeps flying. It was flying all over us, so we had to close the windows we could not uh, enjoy for some time, and that was the reason that after a very long time only our tour director was able to stop the bus and help us to just have a short break to play in the water of this Lider River. This valley is known as the Aru Valley. It's really famous for the beauty of this place. And yes, we had a good chance to take pictures, a real good photo of. The bus halted for some time, and here we all played a lot in the water and took a lot of picture. And there was a small boy who came there with a very small baby goat, a lamb. Yes, and here you see that we paid him 10 rupee for a picture. The boy was very happy, and after that, once again, we got into the bus and we were off to reach our destination. One thing, yeah, these trees that you see, these are the trees that some kind of a pollen keeps flying from this trees, the seed maybe. It was really irritating us. It even gets into the eyes. So I think that is the trees. Well, we don't remember very well. Probably that is a willow wood, because this place is famous for the willow wood of which cricket bats are made. So on the way back, we went to the cricket bat factory, but not while we were going. We were enjoying this valley, Aru Valley scenery. We are still on the highway. After we reach a place, a certain place is there. From there, our bus cannot go. Again, we have to change over to a small. Yeah, there it is. Now we are going over the mountain roads. The roads are narrow, so buses cannot go here, and it is very, very steep. You can see here. Now we can see snow-capped hills, but the snow is very less here. And in Pahalgam, the snow is not as much as it is in Gulmarg.
See here how the water
or
is
even
flowing.
Sonmarg. Sonmarg also there was plenty of snow.
Some places the water is gushing, some places is going slow.
And here is the wow factor of this.
Wow.
Valley is here in Pahalgam. Here, there it is. The shooting of the movie Betab was done here, and they have left whatever structures they had erected, they have left it here. And then we went along the mountainous roads, admiring these such scenes. Where would we ever get a chance to see such things? It was such a pleasure in the warm summer months. It was cool and chill, far from the madding crowd. And we are nearly there. At Pahalgam, there was just very less snow. It was, and because it is less, it's very muddy. You cannot play in this kind of a snow. So we just went up to the end. There was a road there where there was plenty of shops, so we did a little bit of shopping there and just spent about half an hour time there. There's a mountain which will come at the end. You can see it very soon, and that's where we spent some time. We got some boots. Once again, we had to take the fur coats, and you need sticks, at least sticks, or you must get a sledge to maneuver yourself over the snow. So a lot of us did take the fur coats and the boots and went. But we found it very difficult to walk on the snow because it was so less. Less snow is more slippery. See, this is all snow and mud mixed together. So it's so slippery to even stand. In our ordinary footwear, we just cannot stand. So off we go to this end point. We'll reach a place here. You can see the glare at many places. We couldn't even take good pictures and videos because the glare of the snow was so much. Though it was not much on these mountains as much as it was in Gulmarg, somehow most of our pictures were getting blurred. Yes, we have to wear glasses which can protect us from the glare of the snow. It was a good experience because we have never seen snow in our life, so it was really worth it. I do not know how it is now in COVID times out there. We are shut up in our homes, so we thought it a good idea to make YouTube videos from our past memory videos. So this is, we are nearing that point where we can see that road that leads up. There's a parking lot that leads up to the road where from where we have to walk. This distance we have to walk. No other vehicle can take you there. We just have to walk the distance. Yes, that is the place. Many people said that this place is the place where the final destination, and here this is Pahalgam. So we went up that mountain. Those are the mountains. Because the snow is very less, it's very difficult. And well, I hope you noted that we followed the Lider River through and through till this point. And here, this is the last point where we go up the mountains. There was a road there for shopping, and while returning, when we returned, we saw this. We have never seen this in our life. So we clicked a picture, and this is at the cricket bat factory. We bought these as souvenirs for our friends and neighbors. We had plenty of them, but of all those, only these two are now remaining with us as mementos.